All right, today we're going to do a video of a Fadal vertical machining center model Vmc 4020Ht. It's new in 2000. Has the Fadal 88HS multi-processor control. Has 10,000 RPM high torque. Has a 21 position tool changer. Has rigid tapping. Has a coolant system too. Spindle's running right now at 500. That's 1500. Switch over to the high range of the belt. That's 3500. That's 5500. That's 6500. Again, max RPM is 10,000. Do a tool change. Do another tool change. Jog the axes around. Z. Your X. Nice and quiet. Your Y, again, also nice and quiet. Just about does it. This machine can be seen in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse under power. Thanks for watching.